Hey there! Today I'm really excited because I am making an Italian risotto and I am going to show you the recipe. But the unique thing about this one is that it is a Goan sausage risotto. Yummy! Before I get into the recipe, I have to tell you this is a really international risotto because it uses Korean sticky rice, it uses Goan sausage and Indian Parmesan cheese, and cooked by an Indian, of course. So here's the recipe. Both Amit and I put a lot of thought into the ingredients that we were going to use for this risotto, and we read up a lot of risottos and stuff. I selected shallots because I think shallots have a much more intense taste than regular onions, and we had this lovely Korean sticky rice, so we were like, okay, that's going to be there. And because the Goan sausage itself is so flavorful, we didn't want to get into using too many things that sort of, overpower what we would want to be as the sausage flavor. So we chose things which were like flavorful and interesting, but a little less intense than, say, the sausage. Amit sourced these sausages from Viraf, and Viraf actually gets these sausages made in Goan homes in Goa, and he's based in Bombay. And Amit picked up a couple of packets and we were so excited. We were like, what do we do with these yummy sausages? I mean, those typical potato onion curries and all those, we didn't want to go there. So then thinking, and aroma appeared, and we were like, let's make a risotto. If you want to get in touch with Viraf, if you're based in Bombay, his numbers and everything, contact details are in the description below. We added a few peppers in there as well because not just for the color but also to sort of balance the sausage intensity a bit, and to also give us bites of different flavors, the sweetness of the peppers and the spring onions and stuff, so it worked really well. The sausage one sort of took out of the skin and fried separately, and because I didn't want to have like a red risotto, so we fried up the sausages separately and kept it on one side. Then got down to cooking the rice. I had this stock, chicken stock, and I put a few celery leaves in there because I wanted a little, a greener flavor than just the chicken, so the celery sort of gives the right notes. And so I really boiled that stock with a lot of celery in it, and it has to be hot because you're adding that hot stock to the rice. So you keep it on a slow burner or switch it off once it's come to a boil, and that's how we use the stock. This was a non-vegetarian risotto, so chicken stock made a lot of sense. Oh, and I have to tell you about this Parmesan cheese. Amit and I picked up this Parmesan cheese all the way in Kodaikanal when we'd gone there last year. And it is really good Parmesan. It's a little milder than the normal Italian Parmesans, but it sort of does the thing, and it's got a nice texture. It's creamy, once it melts, of course. And the flavors are amazing, so we're gonna order some more of that Parmesan. I was a little nervous initially because I didn't know how the sticky rice would behave vis-a-vis Arborio rice that you normally use to make risotto. But it was great. I mean, yeah, you have to, while cooking the rice, you have to be patient, you have to keep it on a slow fire, and you have to keep stirring it and keep on adding stock bit by bit by bit. And of course, you sort of wait for it to reach a certain point before you start adding all the other things, because those take less time to cook. So it was a good fun day in the kitchen. Mamma mia! When the rice was almost cooked, that's when I added the sausage meat, and which was already fried, and I added the parmesan and then let it cook a little more, and then I added all those lovely peppers and stuff, and the risotto was done. And one just had to sort of let it sit for like 5 minutes to sort of, decide that I'm a good risotto, and before you get down to eating it. And I have to tell you, Amit's not really a risotto guy. Normally in restaurants when I order risotto, he says, but this time he sort of licked up his plate. So go ahead, try this international risotto. And you can use regular sausage meat if you like. You can get some arborio rice. You can pick up sticky rice from the northeast parts of our country, and everything else is, available. So try it. Have a great weekend, and be well, stay well, and I'll see you again very soon with another really exciting recipe. Oh, I can't wait to show you.